I've been creating content for the past 5 years now, since February 2020, and it has been an incredible, challenging, and amazing journey, honestly. God used content creation to change my life, and in the next 10 minutes or less, I'm going to share with you the things that I've learned in my 5 years of being a content creator. Let's dive in. The first thing is that when you're just starting, you need to know that your family and friends are not your target audience. In some cases, they may be your first supporters, people who will push you first, engage with your content, like your content, but just know that they are not your target audience. So even if they don't support you when you just start, if they don't push you, if they don't engage with your content, please do not be mad at them. Do not be so annoyed with them, because they are not your people. They're not the people that your content is for. The people who your content is for would definitely find you if you keep showing up. The second thing that you need to know is consistency over perfection, any day, anytime. The more consistent you are, the more people will know you, the more visibility you will get. The person who shows up 5 times a week has more chance to get more visibility than someone who shows up once a week. So please make sure that you are showing up consistently and forget about perfection. Like we always say, done is better than perfect. The next is that it just takes one piece of content for you to blow up, for you to go viral, for you to get visibility. So if you keep holding on to the content that you're supposed to put out just because you don't think it's good enough, you are holding yourself from the chance you have of getting the visibility you deserve. You're holding yourself from the chance that you have to go viral. It takes one video to blow up your channel. It takes one video for you to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Another thing is that you never know which video it will be. Most times, the videos that go viral are the ones that you least expect, the ones that you do not even put in any effort to create. Meanwhile, the one that you stress to create will get low views. So please do not hold on to that piece of content. You see that content that you're looking at and you're thinking, should I, shouldn't I, should I? Post it. That may be the one that will get you monetization and lots of brand deals. The next thing is that it's better to have 500 subscribers who know you, love you, trust you, engage with your content, and watch your videos than to have 100,000 subscribers of people who don't even know you and will barely engage with your content. Community over numbers, any day, anytime. So focus on building a community. Next is that the worst thing that can happen to any creator is to go viral in a niche that is not in line with their content. For example, you create videos on self-improvement, cooking videos, and then you see a trend in video editing and you create that kind of video and that blows up your channel. Every single person that you get from that video will be interested in seeing more of the kind of content that brought them to your channel. And if it's not something that you love, if it's not something that you enjoy creating, you are going to hate it. So don't jump on every trend. Before you jump on a trend, make sure that that trend is something that you can create content about consistently, just in case. Next thing is that you're not for everyone. Not everyone is for you. There are people who will love you. There are people who will not like you. There are people who will love you for no reason. There are people who will just dislike you for no reason. And that's okay. Just focus on the people who love you. Focus on loving and serving the people who love you. And don't worry about the ones who don't like you. They will be okay. Next is that you need to be careful what you put out there. You need to be careful the kind of information you put out there about yourself, about your family. Yes, it's good to go personal. Yes, it's good to be authentic. I am totally in support of that. But don't put out something that you will regret later. Before you put out a content, before you put out something super personal about you, ask yourself, is this something that I'm okay with someone knowing about me in the next 3 to 5 years? If it's not, then don't post it. Remember this, the internet never ever forgets. Next, it is okay to pivot. If what you're doing is not working for you, if you're not enjoying it, don't be afraid to change it. Don't be afraid to switch to something else. Don't be afraid to keep switching until you find the one that you really love and enjoy. Nobody cares, okay? Don't think about what people will say. Just do it for yourself. Make sure that what you're creating content about is something that you really love and enjoy. Next is that don't just focus solely on content creation. Make sure that you learn other skills with content creation. These are skills that you can offer as a service and earn from it. For example, you can learn social media management, social media marketing, video editing, graphics design, virtual assistants. There are so many things that you can learn and offer as a service with content creation. Next thing is that self doubt will creep in, or should I say, it will try to creep in. Always believe in yourself. Always have the mindset that you are doing great. You need to be your number one supporter, because when that time comes, when the self doubt creeps in, what you believe, your mindset is what will keep you going. Know that your mindset has the power to make you or break you. Make sure that you have the right mindset. Make sure that you have a positive mindset. Always speak life. Always speak affirmations. Say good things to yourself. Use your words to build yourself up. Use your mind to build yourself up, not bring yourself down. That is so important. And finally, creator burnout is real. The time will come when you will create and create and create and just get tired. When that happens, just rest. Make sure that you take out time to rest, because you need it. When you do this, you'll be feeling better and stronger and ready to conquer the world. I hope you learned something from all of this. Let me know which of these stood out for you. And if you have any questions concerning content creation, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I am doing this for you. Okay? Thank you for watching. My name is Amaka Ezabiko if you're just seeing me for the first time, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.